Hi and welcome to a Kirby Maths video on simplifying algebraic fractions, where I'm going to be simplifying some algebraic fractions. Let's start off with this one, 10a squared b over 5ab squared. Basically we're trying to cancel things on the top with things on the bottom. It might help if you write out these squares in a bit of longhand, so we could write 10 times a times b all over 5 times a times b times b, and then you're looking to cancel out things that happen on the top and on the bottom and they are involved in timesing. Okay, you can only do it if they're timesing. So the b will cancel with the b, and a will cancel with one of the a's, and 5 goes into 10 twice. So we are left on the top with 2a, and on the bottom of the fraction just a b. Let's have a look at this one. 5x minus 10 all over 30. I'm going to factorise the top. 5 goes into 5x, x times, and it goes into 10 twice, and that's over 30. 5 goes into 36 times, so we've got a 1 here and a 6 here. We don't normally do anything with the 1, so we would just leave that as x minus 2 all over 6. So have a look at another one. We have got 5p cubed q all over 10p squared q squared. This is a little bit like the first one. We're going to write these cubes and squares out longhand. So we've got 5p q all over 10p q q, and all of these are times together. So one of the q's will go there like that, a p will go with a p on the top, and a p will go with the p on the top. 5 goes into 10 twice, so that becomes a 1, and that becomes a 2. We are left on the top then with just a p, and on the bottom 2q. Let's have a look at another one. Here we go, number 4. We have got 2x squared plus 16x all over 8x. Let's factorise the top, and 2x goes into both of these terms. So 2x comes outside the bracket. We have x plus 8 inside the bracket, and then on the bottom we have got 8x. So the x can cancel with that x. The 2 goes into 8 4 times, so we end up with our final answer as x plus 8 all over 4. 2 more to go. Number 5. If we have got 3x plus 18 all over 6, if we factorise the top, 3 goes into both of these, so 3 brackets x plus 6 all over 6. 3 goes into 6 twice, so it ends up being x plus 6 all over 2. Do not, whatever you do, just because there's a 6 here and a 6 here, cancel those. That's called willy-nilly cancelling, and we don't do that. It's only if you're multiplying numbers or letters together that they can be cancelled. And finally, let's have a look at this one. This is a little bit more complicated. 6x minus 3x squared all over 15x plus 21. Now I am going to factorise the top and factorise the bottom. I'm not actually going to fully factorise the top. I'm just going to take a factor of 3 out. So if I take 3 outside the bracket, that becomes 2x minus x squared. Close bracket. And I can take a factor of 3 out because 3 goes into both of these, and that would be 5x plus 7. The 3 on the top and the 3 on the bottom will cancel out with one another. That means my final answer would be 2x minus x squared all over 5x plus 7. Thanks for watching.